Welcome to this detailed and captivating holiday glam makeup tutorial. With the festive season upon us, it's the perfect opportunity to embrace your inner elegance and radiance with a mesmerizing makeup look that will leave everyone in awe. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through each step, enabling you to achieve a flawless and glamorous appearance for any holiday occasion. Let's start by focusing on the foundation of your makeup, your skin. Preparing your skin properly is essential for a seamless and long-lasting application. Begin by cleansing your face to ensure a fresh canvas. Follow up with your preferred moisturizer to provide a smooth texture and hydration. Applying a primer is crucial as it helps create a barrier between your skin and makeup, making your look last longer and ensuring a smooth finish. Moving on to the foundation, choose a shade that matches your skin tone accurately. Applying it evenly is key to achieving a flawless complexion. Utilize a beauty sponge or brush to blend the foundation into your skin, ensuring there are no harsh lines. If you have any imperfections or dark circles, a high-coverage concealer will come in handy. Once your base is set, apply a translucent setting powder to reduce shine and set your makeup in place. Now, let's delve into the captivating world of eye makeup. Shaping your eyebrows can truly frame your face, so use a brow pencil or powder to achieve a well-defined yet natural look. When it comes to eyeshadow, think warm and rich tones like golds, bronzes, and deep reds that embody the holiday spirit. Begin with a transition shade and gradually build depth by layering darker shades in the crease and outer corners. A shimmery shade on the eyelids will add a touch of enchantment. Don't neglect the inner corners and brow bone. A dash of highlighter will make your eyes pop. For an added touch of drama, consider winged eyeliner. It's a classic choice that instantly elevates your holiday glam. A few coats of lengthening mascara will enhance your lashes, or for a more striking effect, you could opt for false lashes. Creating a radiant holiday glow involves a subtle blend of shimmer and color on your cheeks. Choose a warm-toned blush to grant your skin a healthy flush, and then strategically apply a highlighter to the high points of your face for an otherworldly radiance. Finally, let's discuss the lips. The holiday season is the ideal occasion to experiment with bold lip shades. Consider deep reds, rich berries, or even metallic hues to make a striking statement. Begin by outlining your lips with a lip liner to achieve clean edges and prevent smudging. Fill in the color with your chosen lipstick shade. To seal the deal and ensure your makeup remains flawless throughout the festivities, finish with a setting spray. This step helps lock in your hard work and maintains your stunning appearance.